Hey guys, in this video we will look at the best ladder for two-story house in the market. So, if you are looking to buy one, then this video is for you. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 1. Louisville Fiberglass Extension Ladder, 28 feet. This 28 feet extending ladder from Louisville can withstand around 300 pounds. It's perfect for all sorts of electric, industrial, small construction, and residential works. It comes with D-shaped tiers that are totally serrated to a texture that is slip-resistant. It has rail end caps that are scratch-resistant to secure landing slopes and have a long lifespan. This ladder has 2 additional heavy-duty sliding guides at the tip of the base section, along with a barrier upon the fly portion to keep the ladder from expanding unintentionally. The ladder is comfortable and easy to use thanks to the high-end plated steel shoe with dense rubber treads. Certainly, this is among the best ladder. The ladder is fitted with the Max-Lock rung bolt, custom designed from a proprietary, specialized molecular polymer. This lock is one of the toughest you will ever see. The swivel shoe stabilizes the ladder and keeps it standing firm even on slightly uneven grounds. Aluminum is lightweight and everything, but this fiberglass ladder has its perks as well. If you need to use a ladder for electric work, then go for this one, since the fiberglass can save you from being electrocuted if the ladder is in contact with any power source. Advantages: easy to set up. Safety shoes provide better stability. Anti-slip surface. Super long. Disadvantages: a little tricky to find the perfect leaning angle. Quite heavy. At number 2. Little Giant Revolution M26, Multi-Position Ladder, 26 feet. If you want effective ladders for home use that is both practical and durable, then you should consider buying the Revolution M26. It's constructed to be one of the strongest ladders in the market. The Little Giant ladder is perfect for household and business uses and is one of the easiest to implement. It comes completely installed and ready for use. The ladder is also one of the lightest ones out there and only weighs 53 pounds. It may be used comfortably on platforms, carpeting, curbs, ports, or other rough surfaces. The Revolution is constructed using lightweight aluminum, the very same component used in aircraft construction. So even though it's so lightweight and compact, it's also quite strong. The ladder comes with ratchet levelers, which can be adjusted in a matter of seconds. These levelers allow you almost 8.5 inches of leveling room. Once it's done, they go back up to their storage space. The ladder comes with several configurations for you to set at: a trestle and plank scaffolding system, a simple extension ladder, or an A-frame ladder. Advantages: lightweight and durable. Quad-lock hinge provides protection. Suitable for uneven surfaces. Disadvantages: narrow standing space. At number 3. Little Giant Ladders, Revolution, M26, 26 feet. Get the ideal 26 feet ladder for the job at any moment with Little Giant's Revolution Multi-Position Ladder. This advanced ladder system features modular construction that lets it be used as an A-frame ladder and as an expansion ladder. It allows you to get to challenging places, such as high ceilings and the room above the stairs. Also, you can use the Revolution around and over hurdles where ordinary ladders would not fit. The large rungs minimize exhaustion and foot discomfort when standing on the ladder, and improve flexibility and equilibrium. Deep treads improve traction when climbing for added protection. If you want the best folding ladder, then this is it. The Revolution ladder provides wide flared legs for optimum protection and balance. It also includes a rock lock system which helps you to change the ladder length and specification much faster with far less effort, thus helping prevent scratched fingers. Just press the lock to unlock it, modify the ladder, and tap to relock it. Easily move the Revolution ladder with its tip and glide wheels, hence, it's safe to quote it as one of the perfect ladders. You can effectively wheel it from place to place instead of dragging the ladder from its storage space to the task and back. As opposed to its competitors of the same height, this lightweight ladder from Little Giant is much better to handle. Advantages: sturdy construction. Easy to move around. No assembly is required. Disadvantages: narrow steps. At number 4, Little Giant Ladder Multi-Position LT Ladder. The best Little Giant Ladder multi-position ladder systems blends power and flexibility in its own special way. It is made of super strong, lightweight, aviation-grade aluminum, and its slip-resistant steps provide you with unrivaled support and protection. Its slim depth of storage allows you to store it anywhere you like. The extension part can slide up to 26 feet, allowing you to reach the roof, attic, or high ceiling. It might seem smaller or simpler than many conventional lineups, but that doesn't make it any less effective. The aluminum construction ensures its durability, but you need to be careful while being near electrical components. It weighs relatively less than most conventional ladders. Moving the ladder around shouldn't make you sweat that much. Despite its light body, the Type IA certification means the ladder can bear 300 pounds of weight easily. The redesigned hinge helps the ladder clamp in an instant. The wide legs ensure the ladder can get well enough on the ground while you stand on the anti-slip steps. You can easily store the ladder away after use. The compact size means it won't take up too much of your space. Advantages: durable and lightweight. Wide flared legs provide better stability. Disadvantages: difficult to expand. At number 5, Louisville Ladder 28 Feet Fiberglass Extension Ladder. With a loading capacity of 300 pounds, this Louisville extension ladder features exclusive Pro Top features. It is meant to maximize customer satisfaction. The Pro Top comes with a corner grip, suitable for corner or pole work. The built-in bumper shields the landing surface and provides better stability. The Pro Top layout offers 100% more surface area on smooth landing slopes. The work tray carries equipment so you can have them close to your hand. It is an ideal choice for electric, industrial, lightweight infrastructure, and residential work. The ladder comes with D-shaped rungs that are completely serrated to create an anti-slip surface. Whether you need to fix a tile on the corner of the roof or take a look at the fuse box, the ladder can be used for anything imaginable. Fiberglass can protect you from being electrocuted on a general level unless the surface in contact with the power source is damp. The ladder comes with 2 additional heavy-duty slide guides at the very top of its base section. It works together with a barrier at the fly section to keep the ladder from spreading. The ladder is quite comfortable and hassle-free, thanks to the high-end plated steel shoe along with the strong rubber treads, which makes it the ladder stabilizer. It belongs to the exclusive and groundbreaking section of the Louisville Pro Top lineup. It wouldn't be wrong if I say this to be the best home ladder, well, one of the bests at the least. Advantages: V-shaped design means better balance, especially on corners. Suitable for electricity-related works, shock-resistant. Disadvantages: quite heavy to handle easily. Steps are pretty narrow. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.